moving Daisy right now. Somebody got me. Stole the exhaust in my tuner off my bike. We live and we learn. We live and we learn.
What's up, man?
Relay, I'm overlapping relay. I double back and replay. It's not a game, no EA. I'm global trapping eBay. I make it look so easy. You'll never touch a cement. I double profits each way. Relay.
What's going on, likers, subscribers, and everyday vibers? It's your boy T-Rev. So I have been very stressed out lately. Recently, about maybe 4 days ago, someone decided to steal the exhaust off of Daisy. So here's what we're working with. Pretty much what they did is they unbolted the entire exhaust, took the flanges. Either they were obviously in a rush because they're stealing, but they ended up cutting the O2 sensors off of Daisy to get those out. So I actually have been doing a little bit of shopping around for those two sensors alone, and I'm gonna put them here in the corner where I'm getting them from. But for those two sensors alone, they're $100 a piece. Now I was looking around. JMP Cycles has them for, I believe it's around 70 bucks. I think it's like 68 plus tax, of course, for each sensor. So I am going to be replacing those. I've already ordered those. I also did order some parts for the R6, rectifier, stator, brake, reservoirs. Both needed to be replaced because they were broken, but piece by piece I'm going to be doing this. It sucks, man, because like anybody who knows me knows I would give even if I was low to help somebody out, but unfortunately there are shitty people out there, you know. Minor setback for a major come up, you know, and I'm a super nice person, man, but in a flash I'll let you guys know, like I can be my old self. Like I was not always the person that I am today, let's say that. And my aunt says it best: 8 to 80, blind, cripple, or crazy. I don't give a shit who you are. If I find out who has my exhaust, because I marked it, if I find out who has my exhaust, I'm gonna wait for you. Not gonna say anything else, but don't let me find you. I think I'm gonna just go stock until I can save up for the exhaust that I want again, and go from there.
Now that I'm done being negative Nancy, on a positive note, the giveaway did end the other day. I did not get nearly as much participation as I wanted. There was literally only one participant in the entire thing. So congratulations. His information is going to be right here on the side. Check out his Instagram page. He has a nice sporty, and I honestly think those Arlen S grips and that plate are going to go amazing on his bike. Hopefully you send me a picture and let me know when it's actually posted up, and I'll definitely show the bike off. You know, I appreciate you for actually watching the video and hanging out in there and finding out exactly what you had to do in order to get your entry posted in there. You know, it's just little things that I want to do for other people, just because there were people that were there for me when I first started, and I want to be able to do that same thing for other people. I don't necessarily know if this guy first started or just started riding, but at the end of the day, it doesn't matter, you know, when you started, whether it was a month ago, a day ago, a year ago. Two wheels is two wheels, and I always support all my brothers and sisters on two wheels. And it's a community, you know. We should all be there for each other. I hope you guys do stay tuned, even new watchers. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Do not miss my content that is coming up. I got some parts for the R6, the parts that I needed in order to get her running again, and then everything else. I definitely have a lot of stuff I want to do to it. You know, I was just going to get it running and then think about possibly selling it off, but I think I'm just gonna turn this into a whole project. So completely different bike gonna be coming soon, guys. Stay tuned on that. Stay tuned, because I'm gonna be doing a lot of stuff. Again, it's a 02 YZF R6. Not well taken care of. Had 2 owners already, but I got a lot of stuff I want to do to it. I want to get her shining like she's brand new again, you know. This whole journey for me is literally learning bikes. Not only being able to ride bikes, but learning bikes, whether they be cruisers, whether they be sports bikes. So I think this is the perfect opportunity for me, myself, to learn some things, you know. Learn about switching out stators, learn how the engines work on a sports bike, all that stuff. And I plan on going through everything in detail and being able to rip that bike apart, put that bike back together, and have a brand new 02 YZF R6 that looks nothing like when I first got her. What's up, puppies? Half a cooked blunt got me higher than giraffe nuts. I'm trying to be as consistent as possible. I also want to be able to put some speed on this bitch. I don't know, I'm not supposed to be doing 60 on this street, but shit. Consistency. I'm trying to make sure that I'm consistent, as consistent as possible. You know, I want to be able to have a following of people that are interested to see what I'm actually doing. And to me, there's nothing worse than someone who's not consistent, you know. Like, if somebody tells you they're gonna do something and then they don't do it, that to me is like the worst thing, dude. At the end of the day, if you're not gonna do it, then don't tell me you're gonna do it, you know. So if I say I plan on dropping 2 videos a week, I don't care if I have to record, y'all just record myself and y'all just look at me for however many minutes it is, you're gonna get your videos. They might be at different times. I never said any specific dates on when I'm gonna be dropping videos, but oh, that was a little sketch, dude. Yeah, I just wanted to update you guys, let you know what's going on in my life. And I really don't have much else to say right now. I tell you what though, I am super happy to be back on 2 wheels, man. Super happy to be back on 2 wheels. Missed it. I miss riding Daisy, and it sucks that it happened, but it's a part, you know. I could have, I don't know, I could have died and my exhaust could have been totaled. I would rather somebody take it than me crash and my exhaust get totaled, you know. It is what it is. Material things can be replaced, lives cannot. But don't let me find you, whoever it was. Don't let me find you, because I used to do some ratchet shit back in my day. I tucked that shit way in the back of my head, the back of my mind. But it ain't nothing to spark some shit up, you know what I'm saying? But big plans for the R6. New exhaust for Daisy. Just gonna take some saving like I did the last time, but it's all good. It's all good, baby. I'm going to be doing a complete rebuild on my YZF R6. It is an 02. First time I've ever owned a sports bike, so this will be interesting. I am doing lots of things to it. You have to stay tuned in order to see exactly what. But until the next one, guys, peace.